Hi guys! So I've just finished a morning of editing and it's a really sunny day here in Antigua, and I think it's a pretty good day to make our little announcement.
Announcement time?
Announcement time.
That's exciting.
Yeah, I think today is a good day to do it, huh?
So what is our announcement?
So we have something really exciting to tell you guys, and we wanted to tell you first because you guys are so awesome. But do you want to say it?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous, but I guess to just come out with it.
Yeah.
Delos is about to have a new full-time addition to our crew. We are going to start a sailing family, and we're going to have a baby.
Yay!
Karen's pregnant, which means we are pregnant as it goes.
Yeah.
And wow, it's huge for us. It's something that we've been thinking about for a while. And you know, when you think about having children, you go through all these things in your head about, is it the right time? Is it the perfect time? And then we discussed it, and we finally came to the conclusion that there's absolutely no better time or more perfect time than right now. So we've been practicing and...
Practicing?
You know what that means. And all is good. How pregnant are you?
So I'm gonna have the baby in 5 months, right?
End of July is your due date.
So in 5 months we will fly to Sweden about 2 months before. So yeah, that's about it, I think.
Yeah.
We feel really stoked, and it's a lot of different things to learn and a lot of different things to consider, but I think we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, we're doing awesome.
Yeah.
And we're still in Antigua for the last month. We've just been hanging out, we've been chilling, we've been relaxing, we've been editing some videos, and I've been practicing my kiteboarding, and we've been thinking about our plans, and I think, like Karen said, we're gonna head to Sweden sort of the sometime in May, and then we're gonna have the baby, and then when the timing feels right, we're gonna return back to Delos and figure out what it's like to raise a family on the sea for the next season.
So it's a lot of good things in the future, a lot of exciting things, and a little bit scary things too. But
yeah, well, it should be. I think if you weren't a little bit thinking about it like, oh, maybe not scary, but it's new untread territory for us.
For sure.
But we're a good team, and we're gonna do this, and
it's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome.
So thank you guys for everything, and we love you, and we're so stoked to share this with you.
I hope you're having an amazing day, because we are.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Kisses.
Ciao, guys.
Bye.